Good afternoon. Welcome to the Ghaziabad Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Rahul.
Certainly, sir. Let me check that for you. Could you please spell your last name?
Yes, it's Rahul.
Thank you. Yes, I found it. A deluxe room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
That's right. Does the room have a good view? I was hoping for something facing the city.
You're in luck, Mr. Rahul. I've assigned you a room on the 5th floor with a beautiful view of the city skyline.
That sounds perfect. Thank you, Geeta. Also, what time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in our dining area, which is just behind the fountain in the lobby.
Great. And is there high-speed Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, sir. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. You'll find the password on your key card folder.
Excellent. One more thing. I am looking for a good local restaurant nearby. Any suggestions?
Absolutely. If you step out and turn left, there is a famous cafe just 2 blocks away. Or if you prefer, our concierge over there can help you book a table at the best fine dining spots in Ghaziabad.
You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. Could I please have your ID card to finalize the registration?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Here is your ID bag and your key card for room 502. The elevators are just past the fountain on your right.
Thank you so much for your help, Geeta.
You're very welcome, Mr. Rahul. Enjoy your stay with us. If you need anything else, just dial 0 from your room.
It's time to vocabulary. Reservation means making a booking in advance. Deluxe room, a high quality, comfortable room. Complimentary means something is free of charge. Concierge, a person in a hotel who helps with things like bookings and information. Skyline, the outline of city buildings against the sky.
I hope you like this video. If you learn more, please subscribe my channel.